Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have some really exciting announcements to share with you. I've got three big ones. The first one is that I am hosting a 7-day Instagram live challenge called the Procrastination Challenge. I am gonna go live for 7 straight days in my Instagram account, Katy Illustrates. I'm going to be talking all about procrastination. I'm going inside and out of it, and you'll be able to understand your procrastination habit so much better. So if Inktober is not going so well for you, join me starting November 1, 2, 3 to 7 to hang out with me and talk all about procrastination and understand yourself better. By the end of it, you're gonna have such authority over your own procrastination. You won't be wondering why you're doing this anymore, why you're self-sabotaging. I'm gonna release a workbook every single day of those 7 days so that you can work through it, answer these questions, really take a look at yourself and apply this to your life. And the second announcement, I'm moving to Bali. Yes, guys, that's right. I'm moving to Bali and I've been wanting to do this for so long. I'm so excited about it. Let me take off these damn glasses. On my first 7 days in Bali, I'm going to be doing this Instagram live with you, this procrastination challenge. So, 7 days, I'm gonna be in the beach of Bali, so you're gonna wanna come hang out with me because I wanna do it live on the beach. Another thing, you're gonna be controlling my first 7 days in Bali. So what that means is I'm gonna be asking up until the point of November 1, all the different activities I should be doing when I'm in Bali. I'm gonna ask, should I go to this beach club, or should I go to the monkey temple? Should I go to the waterfall, or should I go to this fish market, or something like that? And you guys are gonna be able to vote, and then I'm gonna do those things on those 7 days, and so follow me that on my stories. So first thing in the day for me will be an Instagram live. We'll talk about procrastination, and I'm gonna do my thing based on your votes, and you'll get to see how that goes. So come join and come vote. I think it'll be really fun to see what kind of adventure I have based on what you voted. So the third announcement is I'm going to be doing a giveaway on the last day of the live stream. So come join me in order to enter the contest. How to enter? You're gonna have to follow me on Instagram at Katy Illustrates. You're gonna have to follow me here on YouTube. You're also gonna have to do the work. I'm gonna ask you for some proof that you've done the work because I really only wanna give this stuff away to people who are committed to making a change in their life. Then you'll have to use the Procrastination Challenge hashtag on Instagram at least one time. I'll be sharing more of the instructions on my Instagram page and on my Instagram stories, so please make sure that you follow me there if you want a chance to win. So I'm going to buy the winner a mini Intuos Draw tablet, or for you traditional artists out there, I'll send you a gift card to Blick Art Materials or Michael's, whichever you prefer. We will be in contact once I find the winner, and we'll talk about that then. I'm so excited for this, you guys. I feel like I got a crazy handle on my procrastination, and I feel like I can really help you get through it. And I think this live, especially with the workbooks, is really gonna make sure that you apply this to your life and see some real changes. So join me, follow me on Instagram, and get ready for November 1st.